The law of demand says, other things remaining same, when price rises, demand falls. And when price falls, demand rises. But this does not always work perfectly in real life. These are called limitations, exceptions to law of demand. One key cap, Giffen Goods. Very poor people buy more even when price rises. Sometimes extremely poor families depend heavily on a basic food item. Example, rice, wheat, bread. If price rises, they become poorer and cannot afford costly, nutritious food. So they buy even more cheap staple food. Example story, a poor family eats rice plus vegetables. Vegetable prices become unaffordable. Now family buys more rice despite higher rice price because they cannot afford better food. Demand rises even when price rises. This is Giffen paradox. To keycap Veblen goods, status goods. Expensive because rich people want prestige. Some luxury goods become attractive because they are expensive. Examples: luxury cars, diamonds, designer watches. Higher price itself creates prestige, status, exclusiveness. Rich people may buy more when price rises. 3 key cap speculation, future expectations. If people expect future prices to rise further, they may buy more even at higher current price. Example, gold price rises. People think it will rise more tomorrow. So demand increases despite price increase. Common in stock markets, real estate, crypto, gold. 4 key cap panic buying. During crisis, people buy more even when prices rise sharply. Examples: medicines during pandemic, fuel shortages, food during warfares. Fear dominates normal demand behavior. 5 key cap necessities, essential goods. Some goods are so essential that demand changes little despite price rise. Examples: life-saving medicines, salt, electricity, petrol, short run. People continue buying because they cannot avoid them easily. This is inelastic demand. 6 key cap ignorance of consumers. Sometimes consumers think higher price means better quality, so they buy costly products assuming superiority. Example, perfumes, health supplements, branded goods. 7 key cap change in income or fashion. Demand depends not only on price but also income, taste, trends, advertisements, population. Thus, other things remaining same may not hold true in real life. The most important point, law of demand works mainly under ceteris paribus, meaning other factors remaining constant. But real economies constantly change. So law of demand is generally true, not universally absolute. How UPSC toppers write. The law of demand states an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded under ceteris paribus conditions. However, exceptions arise in cases such as Giffen Goods, Veblen goods, speculative demand, panic buying, and essential commodities where behavioral, income, or psychological factors override normal price-demand relationships. Easy memory trick. GIFs. G. Giffen Goods. I. Ignorance. F. Future expectations. T. Taste status goods. S. Scarcity panic essential goods. These help remember major limitations quickly.